All right, the Sony AirPeak. Well, this is Sony's first foray into bringing their Alpha Series camera into the air. It is currently the smallest and lightest drone that can carry an Alpha Series or an FX3 camera. And it's making a lot of splash in the news there. People are really appreciating the quality that Sony's put into it and the capability of this drone. It's still in its infancy, and they're making firmware updates, I won't say daily, but pretty regular, which is great. And every time they do, it's like getting a whole new bird out of it, which is nice. So top speed and flight time. So right now, you're looking at about 10 to 12 minutes of flight time, actual real flight time, when it's fully loaded up with an Alpha 7 or an FX3. Top airspeed, you're going about 55 miles per hour, which is pretty fast when you're moving this kind of camera and lens around, right? But that's great because think on the cinematic side, I can trail a car commercial style, cinematography, no problem. Keep up with most of it, besides maybe like Formula One, Price as it sits with the gimbal, you're looking at about $11,200. Camera, of course, you want to supply your own. If you don't have one, well, B&H can help you and get you one. But yeah, you're looking about 11.2. A little bit less, about 9 something minus the gimbal, but you gotta have to have a gimbal. So what you're getting in the package is you're getting the bird itself, you're getting your first set of batteries, of which you're going to want to get additional batteries, a charger for those batteries. And the nice thing about these things, there's actually quite a number of nice things about these new batteries from Sony. First off, they're not LiPos. That's huge. These are lithium ion, which Sony's been dealing with lithium ion batteries for a good long time. These are also under the watt hour requirement, so we can take them on the airplane, which means I can travel with my drone now, which is something that doesn't always happen with these larger drones. You're looking at about $250 per battery, so a little bit less expensive than some of the other mid-size or full-size drones. But a nice thing, and unlike most of the other drone companies out there, these are hot swappable batteries. So what that means is, in the middle of my operation, I can land, stop the props, everything's still warm, my IMUs are good, my GPS is connected, my mission plan's there. Pop one battery out, slam in the new one, pop the second battery out, put in the new one, back up in the air under a minute, right? So that's great, because if you're taking one, take two, take three, you don't have time, you're burning money, right, when you're down. So let's get it back in the air and start filming. You get your controller, which if you're going to do two-handed operation where you have a camera operator and a pilot, you're going to need another controller. The controller, you're probably not going to need to recharge that for a full day of shooting. That's going to be fine. Probably want a nice hard case to put it all in. I think Go Professional Cases makes one with the beautiful cutout, the foam, and then this gimbal for it. That's all coming in the package, minus the case. Case you want to get though. You should probably check out something called B&H Photo because we have it for sale in stock right now and ready to ship out to you immediately.